Hello, my estimate friend. I am Mustafizur 001 from Bangladesh. Today, I am share with you a lotus flower garden. Huge number of people visit this flower garden every day. The beauty of lotus flower always fascinating us. I have been thinking of visiting this place for a long time and sharing its beauty with you.
ভিডিও চলছে 1 মিনিট 12 সেকেন্ড।